What is up, YouTube? Here we have my 2003 Mitsubishi Eclipse, and I just want to show you guys quickly how the convertible function works on this Mitsubishi Eclipse GTS Spyder. So we're going to go inside, show you how the automatic function works on this convertible. But first, a quick message from our sponsor, Super Clean.
Stop the video here to talk about our giveaway that we're going to be doing. If you guys follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our channel, we're going to be giving away some Super Clean in the next week. The original Super Clean bottle here and the aerosol spray can there. So in order to enter, like I said, subscribe to us and follow our Instagram, and we'll be picking the winner sometime next week. Good luck on the sweepstakes, and let's get back to the video.
Alright guys, we're going to head inside here. Alright, so I gave this car a quick minute to warm up. You can see it right there. Temperature's pretty good. And you can see up here, convertible top. It's not wet. It rains a lot, but it's not wet, so that's a good sign, I think. Great. So how do you want to get started? You want to move these visors up, and you can see these little lockers right here on each side. You just pull this tab towards there, and then you bring this up. Same thing on this side. Pull that, pull it up, and you're almost there. Looking down here, you have a switch that says open or close with the little car convertible top. And we're gonna get it started. The car might turn off just because there's a lot of load in the engine doing this, so let's see if it happens. But I want to make sure everything's good. And I'm gonna show you guys from this angle how it looks. So we're gonna hold this open, and it should open up. Now you can stop it in this position, but you can also keep going, just holding it down. At the same time, the car did stall and it stopped, so we're gonna quickly turn it on. Of course it doesn't work. Okay, now we're gonna finish this up. Jeez. Okay. Car's down, top's down, and I got things in the trunk too, so I thought that would be a problem. Maybe that's why it's not fully going down, but here we are, thanks to you. All right, and we're going to show you guys how the top goes up and down from far away. A couple things before we end the video here. Just wanted to show you guys the trunk. Even though I use this as a storage, you can see it fits a lot of stuff in here, even with the top down. So it you can use this as a little storage container with the top down. So that's kind of cool. Secondly, if the gears for the automatic convertible controls ever stop working, there's actually a manual switch right behind the trunk on this side, I believe, that you just flip it onto manual mode, and you can put the top down yourself if you really wanted to. And thirdly, there is, I believe, a cover that comes stock with the car. You just put the cover right on here, like a tonneau cover, and it should hide that convertible mess here. But if you do like videos like these, please comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel to enter that giveaway for Super Clean. And just like that, ABI out.